Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace lower ball joint on 2002 Jeep Liberty. Start by lifting the front with a jack and supporting with stands, then remove the wheel, brake caliper, and rotor. Disconnect tie rod end and sway bar link to access the lower control arm. Use penetrating oil on fasteners, mark bolt positions, and keep parts organized for smooth reassembly. Prepare your workspace and tools before starting to save time and avoid mistakes. Use a ball joint press, breaker bar, impact sockets, torque wrench, and penetrating oil to free stubborn bolts. Confirm the replacement ball joint matches the OEM fit and inspect the control arm for damage. Label removed hardware and take photos if needed to remember torque locations. Stay organized and take your time for a safe repair. If you found this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful repair videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup fast with voice control and smart mapping, so your garage stays tidy between jobs. It handles dust and debris while you focus on hands-on work, and it even avoids tools on the floor. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Lower the control arm carefully after removing mounting bolts, supporting it to prevent stress on brake lines. Use the ball joint press to remove the old joint, then install the new joint with correct orientation and a clean surface. Reattach the control arm, sway bar link, and tie rod end, then reinstall rotor, caliper, and wheel. Tighten to specified torque values and perform a test drive to confirm alignment and handling feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.